What is up, YouTube? Sebastian here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this awesome tool called Helium 10 Black Box. It's a fairly new product research tool, and I'm going to use it to find a killer product. Alright, so let's just dive right into it. So right away, I just clicked this little icon here, which is black box, and let's go into categories. For the sake of examples, let's try home and kitchen. Okay, I like to have my monthly revenue of at least, I want to see products with at least $10,000 a month. And let's do a max, let's go big. Let's do 150,000. Let's do a minimum price of $25. I don't like to do anything less than $25 because really at the end of the day you want your products to be worth your time, and when you're trying to find some killer products to build a brand around, you want to have, you know, a decent profit margin to work with. So let's start with $25 minimum. Let's leave the max alone. Review count, let's do max 500. You know, you don't want anything too competitive, so I think a good threshold, you can do it a little bit lower than 500, but let's just start with 500 max reviews as a decent threshold to start, you know, brainstorming, getting some products to use, getting some product ideas. And let's leave review rating alone. And then shipping size tier, let's just do standard. Let's just try standard right now. Oversized, you're going to be paying a lot more in shipping when you're trying to source these products. So if you're just trying to get ideas again, let's just go with standard. And it's pretty cool. Helium 10 also has some advanced filters. So this is going to scrape all of the data on Amazon to bring you the products that match your criteria exactly. So then at this point, the only thing I want to see here is I want to see a number of sellers. Again, I don't like competition, so I'm going to do, you know, max 2 sellers on a product. And for weight, let's just go with 3 pounds, right? You don't want anything too heavy because weight, you're going to have to say, okay, how much is the shipping going to cost for me to source and send it to Amazon? And additionally, when Amazon fulfills it, they're also going to tack on the shipping charges based on weight and size. So let's go with a median of just 3 pounds, not too big. 3 pounds we can work with, and let's hit search. All right, we got this loaded up here, so let's take a look at what these products are. So we have some towels, 4-piece, 1800 thread. I don't know what that means, but dang, it is crushing it. See the price point, $25. We have a lot of reviews here. It says no sellers on that one. Let's take a look. Duvet cover. Dang, this thing is crushing it. 1 seller. Wow. Okay, look at these monthly sales, and that's a pretty healthy price point right there. Bamboo duvet cover. Don't know what that is. Let's see some storage baskets. Killer sales. Wow, that is a heavy sales price. I would probably look into this a little bit more. Let's see, duvet, 130. Wow, it seems to be a lot of linen here. I actually might take a look at this. Okay, you know what? Let's take a look at duvet covers. It's popping up a lot. I mean, these things are killing it. Look at this, $130,000 for cotton duvet covers for weighted blankets. Selling price is pretty healthy. We're 33.6, 95 reviews, 1 seller. Hey, I'm kind of liking what I'm seeing here. So let's look at it on Amazon. So it's pretty neat here. You can just click this tool, go to the product page. Okay. Number 1 bestseller. Wow, and it only has 96 reviews. Number 1 bestseller. First, let me look at Alibaba to see how inexpensively we can source this. So let's look at duvet covers. All right. Let's see. I like to sort when I'm sourcing products, especially on Alibaba, I like to always check this box that says Gold Plus Supplier. I want to see suppliers that Alibaba has already had time to vet. You know, they went through some sort of vetting process. So I want to see that. And then the second thing I want to see on Alibaba is that they have some sort of sales history. So no, decent. And what I'm also looking at is the average sales price. Now I'm not going to click on any one product in particular. On any one manufacturer in particular. I just want to see what the average selling price is for these duvet covers. We got 2 to 10, 4 to 14. Okay, 6 to 10. 6 to 10, 5,000 there. 40, 50, $450,000. Dang. 3. Actually, this one's pretty neat. For this 100% duvet cover, 100% cotton, look at this, $3 to $5. They're selling over $450,000 worth of these things. Customs data, cool. 200. Hey, this one's pretty neat. Look, 40,000, $5, 18, 200. Let's just go with this. 200 pieces. That's not too bad. So they're basically saying for their minimum order would be 200 units. If you could get 200 units for $5, that's pretty sweet. And it's selling for $33. #1 bestseller with only 96 reviews. Let's look at what potential margins could be for this product. Okay. That's pretty neat. So let's copy this ASIN real quick and go to the FBA fee calculator. You can just type that into Google. For the sake of time, I just had this loaded up. So the sales price is $33.06 for this duvet cover. Let's just say total landed cost is going to be $5 for only 200 units. Let's just add an extra dollar just in case. So it'll be a total of $6 landed to get this product. Wow, look at this. So for $6 a unit, it's telling you your margins are $17.81. That's 3x your return on investment. And those are usually the types of products I like to go for. Products that I can at least 3x my money. So for $6, for every $6 you invest, you'll be getting back $17.81. Amazon is already deducting the $6 fee for your reorder inventory. So this is pretty killer, actually. So as you can see, I mean, that was fairly quick. A duvet cover, and a duvet cover is pretty interesting also, because when I'm looking at products, I want to see how I can expand. Can I grow a brand around this particular product? So for example, duvet covers, I mean, I'm pretty sure I can add 100 different variations to that. Pillowcases, different types of linen, different sizes, queen, king. So there's a lot of opportunity to expand on a product like this, and I found this product fairly easily. Let's look at the competition on Amazon real quick. This will be something to look into also. Let's do duvet covers for weighted blankets. No idea what it is. Look at that, 230 results, which means there's not very many sellers on this particular product. Wow, that is pretty awesome, right? So we checked out the competition, about 230 sellers selling the duvet covers for weighted blankets. More or less, we can source this for $5, you know, and only have a minimal investment of 200 units. This manufacturer in particular is doing 40,000 in transactions, so which means customers are seeming to like the quality of this particular manufacturer. And look, we checked out the numbers here. Fulfillment by Amazon, it's the selling price on Amazon. Look at these margins, boom. And you can expand it to, you know, so many different areas with this product. And I did all of this with the Helium 10 black box. So I mean, you can just continually go through this, you know, for hours, but I just wanted to show you how quickly you can find a killer product, $130,000 a month. And you know, there's the variations, you know, are basically limitless that you can add for a product like that, you know. And they have different categories here. I just picked one randomly. I just wanted you to see how awesome it is to have a software do all the heavy lifting for you. And this product in particular it allows you to have all of this data here. And I found that with the advanced filters, right? I only wanted 2 sellers and a weight of 3, and boom, I just found a killer right there. If you guys love this video and want me to do more, go ahead and leave a comment in the box below. And if you love this type of content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel below, and I'll try and provide as much value as possible. Don't forget to hit the like button if you love this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.